Hello friends, this is Shantanu and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can migrate a website from one hosting to another hosting. Yes, this is one of the toughest tasks for many of the people, many of the beginners. But if you follow this video tutorial, you will be able to do it by your own. This is a very simple process. You just have to understand the entire process first, and you will see that it is so easy to transfer a website, complete website. And this is all about, I'm talking about a WordPress website, the complete WordPress website from one hosting to another hosting without paying anything extra. So I'm going to do the entire process with the help of a plugin that is called Updraft Plus. So that is a free plugin. With the help of the plugin, you can easily migrate a complete website. How big the website is, you can easily migrate from one hosting to another hosting. So this entire video tutorial have couple of stages. So the very first stage I'm going to tell is that first take the backup of your existing website. So let's start this. So our target is to migrate this entire website to a new hosting. So what we can do first, install Updraft Plus. So this is the plugin, Updraft Plus Backup. So you just install that plugin on your blog. As soon as you are done with the installation, come here, settings, and Updraft Plus Backup, and just take a backup here. Click the backup, select this two option and backup now. So you can see that May 11, these are the 5 essential backups they have created. So what you have to do now, you just click them one by one. Okay, you just click them one by one, you will see that it will create a download file. So what you have to do, you just click on download to your computer. Click. It started downloading. 1, 2. Just give some time. 4. 5. So let the download complete. I'll be back as soon as it is done. So the download is done. If I have to check, so you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the 5 important files that you have to keep secure. Okay, so we are done with the first step. Next. So the next step is to change the DNS server of your domain, because we are moving the domain from current hosting to a new hosting. So you just go to the particular domain, click on the DNS. Okay. So as we are migrating into Bluehost, so we have updated it with the name server of Bluehost, ns1.bluehost.com, ns2.bluehost.com. Now after changing the DNS, you have to wait for around 24 hours to 72 hours, but generally or mostly I found that within 5 to 6 hours only you will be able to do the next things. It may take some time to propagate the DNS, but generally if you wait for one day, then it's perfect. It should be perfectly fine. So after that, you just follow that tutorial to install WordPress on that blog, and as soon as you're done with that tutorial, you will find a blog like this. Now this is a completely empty blog. There is nothing is there because it's with the new hosting. Now our task is to restore those files that we have downloaded already from our live website. Okay. So now we are into the third step of this WordPress migration. So before coming to this step, we have to make sure we have installed WordPress properly on the domain where we want to restore all the backups. Okay. So this is the domain where we have installed WordPress already. And you can see that there is no content, nothing. So what we'll do, we'll go to the domain. We'll check the plugins. So these are the default plugins. I do not need them. I actually don't need any of them. Let me delete all of them. Okay. So what we need here is that again the Updraft Plus, that plugin. Okay, UPDRAFT Plus, Updraft Plus. So we'll install that plugin again. Install now. Activate the plugin. Fine. So the plugin is activated. Now go to settings, Updraft Plus backups. Okay. Fine. So here what we can do, upload file upload backup files. Okay, I just click on it. Now what we have to do, we have to choose these 5 files. Okay, pick them. You can simply drag and drop them here. You can see that. So the upload is complete. You can see that all the files uploaded properly, and you will be able to see a similar like entry like this. Okay, so just you need to select this, click on restore. So it will ask you restore files from this. Now choose all of them: plugins, themes, uploads, others, database, everything you choose. Don't miss anyone, otherwise you will miss some file and your website will not work properly. Click on next. Preparing the backup files. If you do not want to restore all your tables, then soon will be excluded. Okay, click on the, so you can see that retrieving and processing backup files. So it's successfully processed. To click the restore button. So you can say that it will take some time. Now based on the size of your database, it may take some time. So that's done. Restore successful. Now your entire website has transferred from your previous hosting to a new hosting. So now what you can do, you can simply go there, return to AppDrop Plus configuration. And if you want to keep this plugin, you can keep this plugin, otherwise you can delete this plugin. And as we have purchased hosting from Bluehost Choice Plus plan, so that plan itself has their automatic backup plan, so you can avail that one also. Otherwise you can take manual backup using this plugin. And make sure that you configure this plugin properly, otherwise what will happen, it will try to take regular backups and it will consume your web hosting space. So let's check the website, how exactly it look like, whether the content and everything is back or not. Yes, we can see that we get back our website. Let us open an article. There are a lot of changes we need to do now on article base, because we have not moved couple of images and many things, so that we will do manually, but we get back all our content and with the slug and all the content we wanted to move. So this is all about the entire migration. So I'm sure I'm able to explain the entire process of website migration from one hosting to another hosting with the help of AppDrop Plus plugin. So you have to remember that the 3 major steps I have covered is, first one is you have to install AppDrop Plus plugin in your live website and take the backup of your entire website, download it in your local computer. And then second is you have to change the DNS server records of your domain. And after that you will see that your website will go down for a few time. Then you have to add your domain into the new hosting plan. In our case, we have added the domain to Bluehost, that Choice Plus plan we have purchased. I have created a detailed video on that. And after that we have installed WordPress on that particular domain and created a fresh website. After that, in the third stage, we have to log into that new website and then install that AppDrop Plus plugin again. And this time we will upload all the files that we have downloaded in the step 1. As soon as we are able to upload them, then we need to select those files and simply click the restore button. All the files will be restored properly and you will get back your live website immediately into the new hosting plan. So this entire process may take more than couple of hours. It may take, let's say, you can give, let's say, the first 2 steps you can do in let's say 10 to 15 minutes. Then wait for at least 1 day so that DNS propagation and everything is done properly. The next day you just install WordPress and then again re-upload all those files and restore the entire website. If you have any doubt, you can write a comment below. You can also connect with me also. I can help you to transfer your website from one hosting to another hosting without paying anyone with this simple process. So if you find this video useful, then don't forget to like this video and also share this video in social media. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, then feel free to subscribe this channel and also hit the bell icon so that whenever I come up a new video, you get the notification immediately. So till then, take care and goodbye.